In this video, I'm going to show you how to create keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Word. So, to want to create your own keyboard shortcut to use Microsoft Word easily. So, firstly, click on File, then hover cursor to More. Now click on Options. In here, click on Custom Ribbon. So, click on Customize Ribbon. Keyboard shortcuts. So, click on Customize. Now select any tab, like Insert tab. Now here you will see command like Insert a chart. So default has not any command and shortcut for this one. So to create like Control Y, then click on Assign. So now to create a new chart and to insert chart in your MS Word, you can use this command and shortcut Control plus Y. Then click on Close. Now click on OK. Now to create and insert a new chart, use that command Control plus Y. That's it. So now we can create and insert chart using this new shortcut. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.